Hey guys, welcome to my Stitch Fix video. So I have a link down in the description. If you like this review and you want to try it out, just go ahead and click on the link and you will be sent to the homepage for Stitch Fix. And also, if you're watching this on my Instagram TV, the link is also in my bio as well. So if you want to go over and head over to my Instagram and check it out, you can. So instead of doing a little intro and tell you guys what Stitch Fix is about, I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. So let's get started. So this top was my absolute fave from this fix. It's an off-shoulder purple paisley top and it has scrunch at the bottom too. None of these shirts have any like zippers or elastic. They all have shirring, so it's so easy to slip on and slip off. This was my absolute fave because I feel like it fit me the best and it was more my style. And this is so like boho. It's so cute. It's a little shorter than I want it to be, but that's not really a problem since I always wear high-waisted bottoms anyways. I do really want to keep this, but the price is this one. The brand is Band of Gypsies and the color is light purple. The sizing is small and it costs $36. I feel like that's a little over my budget, but it's so cute and I really do want to keep it. It's so lightweight and it's perfect for summer, and I feel like this goes with almost anything. So next we're gonna move on to this yellow floral top, and this one is super cute. It did look really cute when it was on me. I normally don't wear tops that are like these where it has little peplum like at the bottom, and before I tried it on I was kind of iffy about it, but when I tried it on I was so in love with it. Like I said, this one has shirring at the back too, and it's not that cropped short as I thought it would be, so that's fine. And this one did fit great. It wasn't too tight, but it wasn't too loose either. It was like the perfect size. And this one is also in a small. So the brand for this one is Kaylee, and this one is $38, so that's $2 more than the off shoulder. Yeah, I don't think I really had any problem with the top. Like, it was just so cute. I think majority of these items I get from Stitch Fix, the only problem with it is the pricing. Usually that's the biggest downside to it, just because I shop on a budget. So if you're someone who's okay with paying like over $20 for a top like this, then go ahead and try it out. Try out Stitch Fix, because I really do love almost every single item they send me. It's usually just like 1 or 2 that I'm not okay with, but it's like 3 out of 5 that I love, so usually. And you know, you can always like switch stylists or tell them specifically your style or what you're looking for, what you don't like and what you do love. They usually do a pretty good job at sending you items. I would recommend trying out Stitch Fix because honestly I love this service. And this item is a polka dot peplum top. So it's a crop top. All these I got was crop tops because I redid my style profile and I mentioned that I usually only wear crop tops. So they sent me all crop tops and that's super awesome, because on the other ones I got shirts that were like a little bit past my waistline or they meet my hip line, and I don't really like wearing long tops anymore. So this one is super cute. It's polka dot, it's lined, it has princess seams on there, and it has little buttons on the front, but they're non-functional, so they're just design buttons. And it does have a little peplum at the bottom as well. I don't really wear peplum much, so I guess that's another thing that I might have to mention in my style profile. It does have shirring at the back too. This one was super cute. It was a little tighter than what I usually wear. I do wear crop tops, but I rather wear them more boxy than tight form-fitting. But it wasn't much of a problem. At first, I wasn't really okay with it, but after a while of wearing it, I really did like the way it looked. I think it just depends on how I style it. So maybe if I kind of dress it up more, it will look cuter and probably I will love it more. But because when I first tried it on, it was just casual jeans and this top. So it was kind of plain, so I wasn't really in love with it. But after I kind of dressed it up a little bit, I really did like it. There wasn't really anything wrong with this one. I do like the way it feels. The fabric is really soft. I did love this one. Like I said, it kind of grew onto me. And the brand is Sophie Rue, and it's $34. So that's the cheapest item I got from this fix. All my tops are size small, so they all fit pretty great. The only problem with them was the pricing mostly. In this fix, I got 5 clothing items. I think it was last one that I got a pair of shoes, but this time I got all clothing. So I got this jumpsuit. It's like a pastel purple kind of color, and it has, I think, palm leaves Yeah, it has white palm leaves on there, and it has a little waist tight. This one's really cute. I normally don't wear these kind of colors much. I don't really like the way pastel looks on me, but it didn't look so bad. It was a little bit long. Like I said, I have short legs, but it wasn't too long, so that wasn't much of a problem. But it's really cute, and it also has little tassels on the bodice. The back has some shirring on there, so it's very stretchy. And this one doesn't have any like zippers or elastic on there, so it's really easy to slip on, slip off, especially with the shirring at the back. That's what I do love about it, and I'm kind of glad I got it because, like I said, I don't really wear pastel colors much because I feel like it doesn't really match me, but it didn't look so bad, so maybe I might try more pastel colors. This color is really cute. Purple is actually my favorite color. For this one, the brand is Skies Are Blue. The total for the jumpsuit is $74, and that's a lot. So this one is a size small. I don't think there was anything wrong with this one besides the length. It's very easy to hem it. Oh, and it does have lining underneath. Yeah, there wasn't really anything wrong with this jumpsuit. It's just the pricing that's the problem because I like to shop on a budget. So next we're gonna move on to these shorts. I don't really know what kind of pattern this is. It's not checkered, but it's really cute. I used to have shorts that's just like this. The pattern was a little bit different and the material was a little bit softer, but it looked pretty similar. I really like the button detailing in the front, and it has pockets in the front and belt loops too. There is a pocket at the back, but it's only for design, so it's not functionable. But this one fit great on me. It's not too tight, but it's not too loose either. I did like it. I think for this fix, I asked them to send me more summer boho type of items. So they did a really good job with doing that. I got a new stylist this time. It's not the same one from last time. So she did a really good job at picking boho summery kind of styles for me. And I do love them. So there wasn't really anything wrong with this type of shorts. The only reason why I wouldn't keep it is because of the price. So the brand is Violets and Roses, and the color is black. This is a size 8, and it costed $44. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's really cute. I do want to keep it. I did love every single fix I got, and honestly, so far, this is my favorite fix. So the first 3 fixes I got wasn't that great. I mean, I did like it, but I wasn't like in love with them. But this is like the only fix I got where I loved every single item. I really did enjoy this fix. So I'm gonna try to keep the stylist for this fix, for the next fix I mean, and we'll see what she comes up with. So I just can't wait to try out next fix because I love every single one of these items. It's just the pricing that's the problem. But I do love getting these fixes and trying new brands and trying new clothing because there's always one surprise like clothing that I get that I've never thought of buying for myself, like the pastel jumpsuit. I never thought of trying that color. Yep, so I'm gonna try to keep this Stitch Fix review short, and I'm gonna end it right here. So if you haven't tried out Stitch Fix, then please do. I really enjoy this fix this time, and sometimes it does take a while to get exactly what you want, but like I said, you can be as specific or not specific as you want with your stylist. And if you're really specific on what you're looking for, whether it's occasion wise or style wise, color wise, they're usually pretty good at finding good items to give you, so I would recommend it. Yep, so if you do want to try Stitch Fix, don't forget to try my link. Like I said, I do get a commission off of it. So I hope you guys like this review. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next one.